to sell a stock on Robinhood or how to sell on Robinhood. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can sell your stocks on Robinhood. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to open up your Robinhood application. You should get an interface somewhat like this. Now you want to head into the particular stock detail page. You can search it from the search bar, or you can head from the list here on the stock page, and you can go ahead and head into the stock detail page. Now if you head into your profile, you'll be able to see your investings and such, and your stocks as well. From here you can head into it, but you want to head into the particular stock detail page in short, and there you'll find the option trade. In my case, I haven't verified my bank details and my profile, so you can see you can start investing once your application is approved. In my case, it's not approved, so once you're approved, you'll get the option. If you have any trade, you'll be able to buy it, and if you want to sell it, you want to head into that share detail page, particular share that you are wishing to sell, particular stock that you're wishing to sell, and then on that particular stock detail page, you'll be able to see the trade option. Simply tap on trade and then select the sell option, and you'll be able to sell it. You'll be asked, by default you're asked to enter the amount you'd like to sell in dollars. Review your order and confirm that all the details are correct, or select edit, and you'll be good to go. So this way you can sell on Robinhood. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.